Hey everybody, we are at Spring Meadow Wash without dryers, a Hydrospray Classic, I believe. Not the oldest Hydrospray Classic. Could be that Turbo Wash too. Which, you know what, I think it is. Judging by what I'm seeing in the back too, it probably will say Turbo Wash, but it says Hydrospray, so without a dryer, it's a Hydrospray system of some sort. A full monorail. And so we will now check this out. Pay the $9 platinum.
Please insert cash or your credit card now. Thank you. Please drive in.
Alrighty, and I got a dollar coin back. And so, looking at the self-serve, looks like they have underbody cleaning, but it seems that it's not available for some customers, which is super weird. But anyways, with this thing as it is, let's go ahead and enter. That actually scared me. And the O is one of the sprayers. right, that was pretty cool. There's a pretty nice lane to stop and make sure things before you go. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and peace out, everybody.